Hey friends, so before posting this video, I had to make sure that if this website can really pay me. I've been watching too many videos on YouTube on how to make money online, and if you go ahead and try all the methods that they have been explained in a video, you come to realize that most of these methods are really not working, and most of these websites are scam website. So it's really hard to make even $10 on this website. But today I have really good news. As you can see, this website payment. You can see here you can get paid $10. And today I'm coming up with this amazing website that can really pay you really money. I just want to tell you one thing. You really don't have to expect to make $10,000 or $5,000. You can make a reasonable amount for this small task that you're going to perform on this website. So right now, let's dive in and see all these amazing websites that can pay us good money, and you really don't have to do something like very hard. All of these are very simple, and even if you don't have any experience, you can perform this task and get a reasonable amount. So let's now dive in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make money by reviewing websites. Only by giving your honest opinion about a given website and you get paid. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work and how much exactly you can expect to earn on this website. I know a lot of people are asking like how these companies are going to pay you just by leaving a review on this website. It's very important to understand that there are too many companies out there. When they launch anything like product or website or application, they need to know what people think about this website, and this is when your task is going to begin. So the only thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna go on these websites and see like how this website is performing. Is it fast? Is it easy to use? And just by leaving honest review about this website, you're gonna get paid $15 up to $20. And the very good thing about this is that it's really gonna take very short time. It can take only 20 minutes for you to review and leave honest opinion over this website. So right now we are going to see our first website that is going to pay you only by your honest opinion. So let's dive in. Our very first website is called TestingTime, and the very good thing about this website is going to pay you $30 up to $50 per one test. So every time that you are going to provide your honest review about a given website, you're gonna get paid $30 up to $50, and it always take very short time. It can take 30 minutes, it can take 45 minutes for you to go on different websites that are given on this platform. Then you can provide honest review about your experience on a given website. How does it feel for you to use a given website? And only by doing that you can get such amount. So what you have to do right now, you have to go to this website testingtime.com. Then you have to click this place which is written as become a tester. You can see there are a lot of big companies that are trusting this website. Microsoft is also a sponsor on this platform. So you really have to go ahead and see how much you're really gonna make, because I've seen a lot of people, they say that this website is really working and they got paid a reasonable amount of money. So you can get paid $30 up to $50. So it just depends like how many tests that you are supposed to take for you to make at least $200 a month or $300 a month. So I really encourage for you to go ahead and try this website. Right now, let's go to next website. This next website is very interesting. First of all, it's trusted by big companies like Microsoft and Godot, you can see here. But also, secondly, this website is very easy to use and you can get paid a reasonable amount of money just by doing very simple tasks. So what you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called UserTesting, and you have to click right here, I want to make money online. Only by clicking here, you're gonna be needed to write your email. Then you have to click to join. So after joining on this platform, they will be sending different website, different application for you to test on your email. So every time that you receive these emails, you have to go ahead and test this website, test this application. Like how do you feel using a given website and all that. Just by leaving your honest opinion on this platform, you're gonna get paid $10 per every task that you're gonna perform on this website. So I really encourage you, really have to make sure that you go ahead and join on this website, because there are a lot of people, and these are receipts and payment proof. You can see a lot of people are saying that they really got paid on this website. This website is called UserTesting. So right now Let's go to the next one. Alright, so this next website is very easy to use, and all I'm going to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Trymata. Then on the top of this website, as you can see here, you have to click this press which is written as get paid to test. Then you're going to be needed to write your email and other personal information like your name. Then down here you're supposed to write your PayPal account, and you can get paid $5 up to $30 per every test that you're going to perform on this website. I really love this website. It's very easy to use, it's a clear and very simple. So if you really want to make at least $5 up to $20, $30, you want to go ahead and consider joining on this website, because not a lot of people know about this website. So I think it's way good for you to hurry up and join on this website. So right now let's go to our next website. So this next website is the one that I think I will also be so excited to join and to work with, because it doesn't require you to record yourself and post a video explaining how you feel about a given website, because other websites that are mentioned, you are supposed to screen record yourself using this platform that you are given. Then you have to send this video to the company. It can be audio, it can be a video explaining like how you feel about a given website. But this website, you're not going to record yourself, you're not going to be in a video call to explain how you feel about a given website. All you want to do on this website, you're going to just leave your comment how you feel about a given application or a given product you have been given to test. Then right after providing your information, right after providing feedback, you're going to get paid $10. So this website is called Perception. A lot of people know about this website, and you have to go ahead and test on this website. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click right here, become a tester, then scroll down here and click become a paid tester. Right after that, they will be sending emails for you to test their product. It can be website, it can be application. So you need to be very closer to your email, so that you can be checking like if you receive any email for you to go ahead and test website and application. So next on the list we have Enroll. The good thing about this website also, it doesn't require you to record your video or to record anything providing information about a given website. All you want to do on this website, you're gonna leave your comment, you're gonna write like how you feel about a given website that you have been given to test. Just by providing your feedback, by only writing down, you can get paid at least $1 to $3. On this website, you really don't have to expect to make decent amount of money. You're gonna make a very few amount, $1 to $2. But the more you keep performing too many tasks on the website, you can end up making at least $20 a month and all that. I'm not lying, I'm just being honest. That's the reason I say that all of these websites, they're not gonna make you rich, but at least you can make little amount that can help you somehow. So right now let's go to our last website. Alright, so this is our last website in today's video. This website, it requires you to be over 16 years old, and all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Userlytics. Then you have to click get paid to test, and you have to write your email. Then you have to make sure that you agree terms and condition and click submit. On this website, it's going to pay you at least $5 up to $10 just by performing a very simple task, providing feedback about given website or given application. Just by doing that, you can get money via PayPal or Cash App. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I want to say one thing about all of these websites that I've mentioned. For you to make decent amount of money, I can give you a tip on how to make like little money on this website. You need to join as many of these websites as you can, because the more you receive these emails to go ahead and test a different website, you can get a reasonable amount of money. But if you just join to one website, it's really going to be really hard for you to get at least $100 or $200. But if you have more than 2 websites to go ahead and test every single day, you can make a reasonable amount of money. And I really encourage for you to go ahead and try all of these websites. Before recording this video, I had to make sure that you can really get paid on this website. So I tried to see all these reviews, how people are talking about these websites, but also I saw payment proof on how people they really received this payment from this website. And that's the reason I had to come up with these 6 websites that are really going to pay everyone who is ready to go ahead and join and start, providing feedback about the different websites and applications. So thanks so much for watching my video, and I did hope that you are going to try this website and see how much you're going to make. So I did hope to see you next time. See you.